In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view employee notes in QuickBooks. Whether you're a seasoned accountant or just getting started with QuickBooks, managing employee information can be crucial to your workflow. That's why we're going to explore how to efficiently view and even add notes to an employee's profile. First, once you're signed into your QuickBooks account, the place to begin is the Employees section. You'll find this option conveniently located on your dashboard. Clicking on Employees will display all the employee profiles that are set up in your QuickBooks account. Consider this area your hub for managing employee-specific information, where you can access anything from payroll details to personal information. To get started, go ahead and click on the employee profile you wish to view. This step will open that employee's complete profile. You'll see various details, including personal information, payroll, and notably, any notes that might have previously been added. Next, you should look for the Notes tab within the employee's profile. This tab is your gateway to accessing any notes recorded for that employee. By clicking on the Notes tab, you'll be able to see all existing notes. It's a fantastic way to keep track of updates, recognize personal achievements, or note anything significant to that individual's role within the organization. Now, if you wish to add your own updates or observations, there's a simple way to do this. Within the Notes tab, you'll find an option to add notes. Once you click on it, a text box will open up, offering you a blank canvas to input your own notes. As you type, it's important to ensure that the information is both clear and concise. This is your chance to document any observations, instructions, or updates that may be crucial for later reference, so take a moment to double-check the details you've entered. Once you're satisfied with your note, don't forget to click on the Save button. This action will securely store your note within the employee's profile, making them easily retrievable whenever you need them in the future. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully viewed and added notes to an employee's profile in QuickBooks. This process is designed to help simplify your administrative tasks and keep your team organized. Plus, having these notes readily available ensures that important information is never more than a click away. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more QuickBooks tips and tutorials. We'll be diving into more exciting features and tips to make your experience with QuickBooks as smooth as possible. Until next time, take care and happy bookkeeping.